What's up, everyone? So right now I'm currently up $1,200 on GU and Euro, and I wasn't able to capture the live screen like I usually did in the other videos, simply because these trades were kind of buy and holds. I was scaling into positions, so yeah, it would have been too much time to go ahead and record because this was like a few hours. But I did take a screen capture of GU. This was actually given to our live trade room in terms of our Discord room. Whoever buys the course gets access to it. We did have GU as a potential buy if we got above this swing, and I pretty much took an early position here, look for price to kind of give a nice rally in here, and then give a pullback into this level, a little deep pullback, and as you can see, we ended up getting that pullback in here, and now price gave a nice push. I'm anticipating this area of liquidity to get ran out. Alright, and for Euro, same thing. I'm anticipating this area to pretty much go ahead and get rated. And I'm going to go and give you guys the reasoning behind these trades and and how I come to an idea of these trades in the trading view section next. So I hope you guys enjoy that. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the breakdown of the trade that I took. The reason why I thought that this trade was potentially going to be a long was due to the fact that we had this type of structure here. So pretty much the market had drives lower, and then we kind of seen the market start to form higher lows in here. Even though we were making new highs, price was kept consistently holding higher lows, and pretty much structure was kind of holding, kind of rounding around. So I'm like, all right, so this is how the way I personally trade. I like to identify my key levels. We have a key consolidation point in here. I draw that out in time, and essentially what happens here, we see that price respects it here, price respects one more time here, and then we closed above. So, and let me actually go ahead and just draw this back out. So we have the full range in here. Then we had a closure above this zone in here. So now I want to pretty much look to go buy pullbacks inside of this prior consolidation. So essentially the concept is it was acting as resistance before, price broke above. It looked like the market accumulated some positions in here. So essentially I was looking to buy some pullbacks back inside of this range. So that's where I got some entries in here. I was able to buy another entry like around down here, and my target was this area, this prior resistance point. We did kind of get right back up into it, and you see price sold off since then. So it's really easy and simple trades. The way I like to trade is break and retests. A lot of people understand this specific strategy. I typically use key zones, and I like to have a directional bias when playing break and retests, and this is just one example of how I was able to play this trade. Let me go and see how we were able to play Euro. So the way Euro played out, we pretty much had 3 drives lower, and then price broke up and we made a new high in here. So price broke this high. So now I was looking to essentially buy a lower high, and we got a couple buy scenarios. The way I like to trade it off this swing point, I was able to get like one buy entry there, able to buy another entry there with like a stop loss pretty much under this zone in here, and then price was able to rally. My target was this area in here. We did wick at this point in here, and then price kind of sold off, and it looks like we might make an attempted rally to further push above this area of liquidity. And yeah, guys, it was really simple. This was all also brought out into the chat room in our Discord room for private members. And yeah, this was really all it took for the breakdown, understanding what the market is currently doing, where is the accumulation happening, and just pretty much identifying good levels and structures to buy into. I will say this GU was a little bit cleaner compared to Euro, just because the level was much better. This is why I was a little bit more positioned inside of the pound, because I just like this overall structure. It was very, very clean break, clean level retest, and we got the nice expansion move higher. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll be doing more videos like this in the near future. So go ahead, subscribe, leave a comment on what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.